out like a shot out of a barrel about midway out of the gate once more. The number 14 of Zach Bell snagging an early lead around the outside as he goes.
Do you think you could do it?
Didn't even think about it. I was just thinking about winning.
Just making it to Loretta's to me means that you're a champion. Loretta's the best of the best, and it actually shows whether you have the potential of being a professional motocross racer.
The sacrifices my parents made for me is incredible. They've put their whole life under me and spent every little dime on me to get to the races.
Making it to Loretta is like a big deal for me because it's 42 kids that are the fastest, and I mean, it's hard. I was going hard. I tried to ride my best.
Got it. Was that Webb that just went on the inside on the Yamaha, went from fourth to second? What the heck? Right by. How did he do that? Just did not let off the brakes.
Well, Webb knows what he has to do. Backs up against the wall, and you got to get this moto win. That's the easiest way to do the math.
And your champ in the 250B is going to be Cooper Webb. And what a battle. McElrath will finish up.
Key points at Loretta's is, you got to focus, you got to be ready, and you just can't slack out there. You have to be on your A game, and most importantly is getting the whole shot.
I think the lead and the speed for Bell is enough that no one's just going to straight run him down. But this track, as you were saying, Rodney, can prove very tricky with those deep ruts. And Bell's got to try to stay out of that.
things about Loretta is Cooper came here when he was 5 years old, and he didn't qualify. He was actually first alternate, and he got to do the practice and stuff, and he was going really fast, and all the dads were worried that he was going to get the race, and he never got in. And so we had to sit there that year and watch the racing go on. And during the last moto, he was sitting there watching, we're watching from the fence. He goes, "You know what, Dad? Next year I'm gonna qualify for this and I'm gonna win it." And I was like, "Yeah, okay, buddy, no problem." And sure enough, the next year he came back and he won it. And that's probably, the most proudest thing I ever had on him. So.